Many associate the felony murder rule with a robbery gone wrong, but often the rule applies to other crimes, including sexual assault. After a sexual assault and murder, a man fights his felony murder conviction in People v. Portillo. Kobe Portillo, a sailor, often joked about sexually assaulting and killing a sex worker. On one occasion, Portillo talked about using a duffel bag to hide the body. One day, Portillo contacted an escort service and selected Monica, a petite entertainer. Monica's real name was Natividad, or Nancy, and she maintained a California escort's license. Nancy strictly followed the service's procedures, including calling the service before performing. Nancy didn't call that day. Portillo's wife arrived home to a bloody scene and phoned the police. Police found Nancy's body under duffel bags. Initially, Portillo feigned ignorance about the murder. A medical examiner noted injuries to Nancy's vaginal area and anus and recovered Portillo's sperm from the area. Portillo changed his story, claiming he had consensual sex with Nancy. Then, Nancy became angry when Portillo couldn't pay her, so he defended himself and accidentally killed her. During Portillo's trial for rape, sodomy, and murder, Portillo objected to a jury instruction about the felony murder rule, which would apply if Portillo committed certain felonies, including rape and sodomy, during a killing. Portillo argued that there wasn't evidence for a jury to find that the murder occurred before he completed the sex crimes, but the judge disagreed. While the jurors deliberated, they asked the judge if the phrase, quote, "in the course of," unquote, in the instructions about felony murder, meant the victim needed to die while being penetrated. The judge further instructed jurors that the killing didn't have to happen during the sex crimes. It could also happen after the sex crimes, but before the perpetrator fled or hid the crimes. The jury found Portillo guilty under the felony murder rule. After the court denied Portillo's motion for a new trial, he appealed to the California Court of Appeal.